Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the web development series, and in the today's video we are going to learn something very important for the security purpose, and that is password hashing. If you're building any app with the login or sign up, this concept is a must to know. Don't worry if you're new to this topic, password hashing. I will explain everything in a very simple way. Now let's start from the basic. Suppose a user enter a password like 1234566. Now if we store the password directly in the database, this is very dangerous. So instead we convert this password into something like this hash thing, like random letters. So this process is called hashing. So simple way, if I say hashing means converting password into unreadable format. And one important thing is that this is a one-way process and we cannot convert it back to the original password. Now you might be thinking, why do we even need this? Imagine your database get hacked, and if passwords are stored in the plain text, hackers can see all user password. But if password are the hash, hacker only see the random strings. So hashing protect user, and even we as a developer, we should never see user password. Now what is salting? Salt is just a extra random data that added to the password before hashing. Like instead of hashing just 1 2 3 4, we do like 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus random value is equal to this hash password, and this makes password even more secure. Even same password will look different after hashing. So good news is that we do not need to this manually. Bcrypt or does it for us. Now what is bcrypt? Bcrypt is a library in the Node.js which help us in the hash password, add salt automatically, and compare the password during the login. So basically bcrypt complete solution for the password security. Now let's move to the VS Code and first make a new backend project, mkdir. Let's password hashing and move into this. Just initialize this backend project npm init-y, and now just npm I express and bcrypt, install this. Now also make a file touch, let's say server.js, and also we need this bcrypt library, bcrypt. This is very essential. Now wait a second, start node this server.js file, and now let's write the code in this server.js file. First make the means this server, let me write here first like const bcrypt equal to require bcrypt, and after that just write a async function, because this task is async, means we are hashing the password, hash password in this const password is equal to, let's say just I'm giving the random value, I'm not taking the value from the client side, 1 2 3 4 5 6, just random 1 2 3 4 5 6 value. Then const hashed password is equal to await, because this is a task, bcrypt dot hash. First we have to give the password, then the salt or rounds how many times, then 10 salt I am giving, just console.log, hash password. Now let's run the file and also call this function hash password. Let me run this file, npm start. I get this password, means from 1236 123456 I get this one. So this is your hash password. Now here you see this number 10, and this is called the salt round. Higher value, more secure. Like here if I write the let's say 15 and again run, and this is all even more secure than this one, the previous one, but this is slower. And for now just use the 10, and even your main project also use the 10 value is the perfect range for the sorting. Now how to check whether the password the means correct or not, means like in the login user enter the password, we have to compare it with the store hash. So for that we just need to check const is match is equal to await bcrypt dot compare and give the password. Like I just give here the password. So let me give the random 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here we have to give the hash password. Now console this is match or not. Now let's again rerun. I get it true, and the hash password is this one. If I change from 1 2 3 4 5, means remove this 6, I get the false. See this one, how this is look like, means we can able to hash the password, we can even able to compare the password while the login. So this is the means basic idea of the bcrypt usage in this. Now just install the bcrypt, npm install bcrypt, and hashing the password, this one await bcrypt.hash, and this is a async function. You have to remember that async task. And for the comparison also this is await, you have to apply the await here and compare this, and if password match, password correct. And this is just a basic example of the register, means you get the username password from the request.body, and you just hash the password and create the new user by hash with the field hash password. So here important note will like always hash the password before the saving, means whenever you get the data while register or forget the password, you have to hash it, and never store the plain password. If database get hacked, then what you will do? So use the bcrypt for the security reason. Now real life flow is like user enter the password, password get hash, and hash store in the database. And during the login, user enter the password, we compare it using the bcrypt. If matches, then login success. And always remember, never store the plain password and always use the bcrypt. So today we learn about the hashing, salting for the extra security layer, and bcrypt is a safe and easy solution for this, and used in every authentication system. So that is for today's video. Now you understand what is hashing, what is salting, how bcrypt works, and how to use it in a real API. In the next video, we will see login system, maybe JWT authentication system.